Hey, Duff Mustangs, it's Mrs. Farr. Guess where I am? I'm at the Duff Library. I'm getting ready for you guys because in a week I'm going to see you, or I'm going to see a lot of you. Maybe not all, but I'm excited to see you guys soon. Oh my goodness, we're getting so close to some face-to-face time, and I've been doing lots of fun things in the library to get ready for you guys. But this week, let me tell you something. I'm going to share something with you that I think you're really going to enjoy. I'm going to share with you one of my favorite storytellers, Ryan and Craig. They are amazing. They have their own website, ryanandcraig.com. They also have a page or a channel on YouTube and on KidsTube. YouTube is mostly for adults. There is some good kid content on there, things that are appropriate for you, but some things are really for adults. So I recommend my kiddos to always go to KidsTube. And if you do get to watch something on YouTube, you need to talk to your parents about it first, and they need to know what you're watching, okay? Just to keep you guys safe. But this week, I'm going to share one of my favorite storytellers and one of my favorite series. I have lots of favorite series, believe it or not. I mean, I am a librarian and I love books, but one of my all time favorite series, drum roll please, is Froggy. I don't know if you know Froggy or not, but he is one of my absolute favorites. In fact, I have a little bit of a Froggy problem. Wait until you see how many Froggy books we have. And then I can't even forget. Oh my goodness, it's so heavy. Look, those are all my Froggy books. Love them. And when you guys come back, I'll put some out so you can check them out because they are the best. And ones, like Let's Go Froggy. We've got Christmas Froggy. Froggy plays in the band. Froggy plays soccer. Hold on. I think it's down here. Nope, that's not it. Hold on. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, where did it go? Here it is. This is the one. Oh my, the pile's so heavy. Whew. Okay. Froggy goes to school. Sorry, my phone rang and I had to pause my recording. I'm back. Okay. Froggy goes to school and we're in school. So we need to read this book. You are going to love it. There's many things that Froggy does in all of his books that are repetitive. They do them over and over again. And I love Froggy, but I do love other series like Clifford and Author and Katie Lou and like Poppleton and Pig the Pug. There's so many. Pete the Cat. Hello? Who does Cat in the Hat? There's so many great series out there. And Froggy is one of my favorites, and I think you're really going to enjoy him too. Now, guess what? I do have these books available for you guys to check out once we do our checkouts. We're going to start checking out books on October 13th. So excited. If you are going to continue to be an online learner, well, guess what? You will get an opportunity to still check out some Duff library books, the real ones, not just ebooks. But I'm going to be sending some information to your parents next or at the end of this week. And your parents are going to learn how to put a hold on some library books. And on Mondays, you'll get to come and pick up your books. So I'm going to send all that information about how to put on a hold, when to put a hold, when the holds need to be in by, and when the books will be available for pickup. So I am, if you can't tell, I'm super excited. I love being in this library. I love being with all my books. Do you have like about 14,000 books? Isn't that amazing? Okay, so we're going to read this story. Ryan and Craig are going to read it to you. When you are done, I want you to think about your favorite storybook character. Okay? Clifford, Froggy, Arthur, Pete the Cat, Amelia Bedelia, any of those fun characters that you have read stories about. It could even be Froggy. If you're like, well, Miss Fry, I think Froggy's now my favorite. Write about Froggy. I want you to draw me a picture of Froggy, and then I want you to do a recording of why you love that character. Why is that your favorite? I want to know all about it. So enjoy, enjoy. And if your parents let you go to ryanandcraig.com or to subscribe to their YouTube station or on kids YouTube, look for some of the Ryan and Craig read alouds, their story times. They're the best. They're hysterical. In fact, this probably won't be the last time you see some. I'll probably be sharing some with your teachers, and you might see some in the library. And I hope you enjoy it. I hope you have a great week. I hope you're reading lots of books. Cannot wait to see you guys soon. Okay. Have a super